Revolutionizing Indian agriculture with drone technology. Introduction. In the heart of India's agricultural landscape, a new ally has emerged, the agricultural drone. This technology is transforming the way farming is done across the country. Challenges in Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture has faced numerous challenges over the years. Limited resources, labor shortages, and unpredictable weather conditions often hinder productivity. Footage showing traditional farming practices and challenges. But now, technology is offering solutions that promise increased efficiency and higher yields. Meet the agricultural drone. Enter the agricultural drone, a powerful tool that's changing the game for farmers. Footage of an agricultural drone taking off. These drones are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, making them versatile and highly effective. Drone applications in Indian agriculture show drones in various agricultural settings. So, how are these drones being used effectively in Indian agriculture? Crop monitoring, drone flying over a lush green field. Drones fly over fields, capturing high-resolution images. These images are then analyzed to monitor crop health, identify diseases, and assess nutrient deficiencies. Precision agriculture, drones spraying crops with precision. With pinpoint accuracy, drones can spray fertilizers and pesticides, minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact. 3. Soil analysis, drones scanning the soil. They can even analyze soil conditions, helping farmers make informed decisions about irrigation and nutrient management. 4. Irrigation management, drones assessing irrigation needs. Drones evaluate moisture levels in the soil, allowing farmers to optimize irrigation, conserving water resources. Crop mapping, drones creating crop maps. By creating detailed crop maps, drones assist in efficient land usage and crop rotation planning. Benefits for Indian farmers, show happy farmers in the fields with drones. The benefits for Indian farmers are significant. 1. Increased productivity, farmers harvesting bountiful crops. By utilizing drone technology, farmers can achieve higher yields and healthier crops. Cost savings, farmers counting saved expenses. Drones reduce the need for excessive labor, fuel, and resources, leading to cost savings. Environmental sustainability, drone flying over a lush, sustainable farm. Precision agriculture minimizes the environmental impact of farming, contributing to sustainability. Challenges and future prospects show signs of technological advancements. While agricultural drones offer immense promise, there are challenges to address, such as affordability and training for farmers. Footage of technological advancements in drone technology. However, with ongoing innovations and government support, the future of Indian agriculture looks brighter than ever. Cost effectiveness for Indian farms show scenes of farmers discussing cost-effective solutions. One of the standout features of agricultural drones is their cost effectiveness for Indian farms. 1. Targeted resource usage, drones precisely spraying crops. Drones enable farmers to target their resource usage with unparalleled precision. By applying fertilizers and pesticides only where needed, they save money on inputs while maximizing their impact. 2. Reduced labor costs, farmers watching drones in action. Traditional farming methods often require a significant labor force. Drones, on the other hand, can cover large areas quickly, reducing the need for extensive manpower and lowering labor costs. Timely intervention, farmers observing drone monitoring. Early detection of pest outbreaks or crop diseases is crucial for effective intervention. Drones provide real-time data, allowing farmers to address issues promptly and prevent extensive damage. Data-driven decisions, farmers analyzing drone-generated data. Drones capture valuable data that empowers farmers to make informed decisions. This data-driven approach optimizes operations, minimizes waste, and maximizes profits. Success stories of farm cost savings showcase stories of farmers benefiting from drone technology. Narrator: across India, farmers are witnessing remarkable cost savings with the integration of drones into their operations. 1. Reduced input costs. Farmers discussing input cost reduction. By using drones to apply fertilizers and pesticides precisely, farmers are reporting significant reductions in input costs without compromising yield quality. 2. Increased efficiency. Farmers celebrating increased efficiency. The efficient data collection and analysis capabilities of drones have led to enhanced crop management strategies, resulting in higher productivity and reduced waste. 3. Enhanced profitability. Farmers happily harvesting abundant crops. These cost-effective practices are translating to improved profitability, as farmers achieve better crop yields while controlling expenses. The future of cost-effective farming shows scenes of advanced farming practices. As the agricultural sector in India continues to embrace technological advancements, the future of cost-effective farming looks promising. Footage of modern farming techniques. With ongoing innovation in drone technology and increased accessibility, more farmers are poised to experience the economic benefits of integrating drones into their agricultural practices. Scene 9, Conclusion, soft instrumental music playing. The cost-effectiveness of agricultural drones is a game changer for Indian farmers. By leveraging these high-tech tools, farmers can maximize their profits while contributing to the sustainable growth of India's agriculture. Graphics highlighting cost-saving benefits of agricultural drones. Through affordability and impactful results, drones are steering Indian agriculture towards a brighter and more prosperous future.